Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Tavre. Welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome in a class series of German language. In last class we learned German numbers from 1 to 100. In today's class we are going to learn something that will actually help you to speak in German. So the topic is how to introduce yourself and especially how to say your name in German. So los geht's. So to say your name in German you would say Ich heiße and then you put your name here. This means I am called. Ich is I, heiße is to be called. So I am called Rutuja. And you, und du, and you would answer Ich heiße, your name. So there are two versions to ask someone's name. One is informal and another is formal. Informal means asking someone of your age, of the same age. So you can ask, Wie heißt du? Wie is how, heißt is to be called, and du is informal you. Okay? Formal means asking someone older than you. You can ask, Wie heißen Sie? Z with a capital letter because Z is a formal version of you. Okay? Now I am going to tell you some alternatives to introduce yourself. You can say, Mein Name ist, and then you put your name here. It's same like English, my name is. Okay? Or what you can also say, Ich bin Rutuja. I am Rutuja. Okay? And you, und du. So these are all possibilities to say who you are. And now let's see some alternatives for questions what people might also ask you. For example, wer sind Sie? Is like who are you? And we are asking this formally. Okay? Or you can ask, wer bist du? This is who are you? And that is informal. The difference is wer sind Sie and wer bist du is the formally asking and informally asking. Okay? One more question you can ask is, wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? So this means what is your name? And we are asking this question formally. Okay? So wie is how and was is what. But we never ask was ist Ihr Name because it's so rude in German. So try to ask wie ist Ihr Name. So this is how we ask someone's name. Wie ist Ihr Name? Okay? Done? So if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question regarding this topic, ask me in the comment section. Okay? Thanks for watching this video. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.